Because I'm a Parang guy, so this is very new for me. I'm a cameraman in an MMA fight. You see that kick? My goodness!
Internet problem.
Or a big boss car, this is your option. Hey, this guy I have seen this.
I can see you right there.
Let's go.
Welcome
Yes.
to Meghalaya.
Thank you very much.
To
Thank you.
the Cherry
you.
Blossom Festival 2024.
Guys, welcome to Cherry Blossom. Today is gonna be a beautiful fight night.
One of the fighters.
He's one of the fighters.
But now he's not
Good.
fighting. That's fucked up.
Yes, good. Hello.
All of them.
Yes, all of them. Yeah, they look fighters only. Good condition. Strong guys. What is a crambola? I have no idea what is crambola.
This is
It's a fruit.
Fruit. This is they use for medicinal purpose.
Ah.
Especially those who have this jaundice. What they call jaundice.
Ah. Tamarind juice.
That is not good. You'll have to run to toilet after taking it.
Is it? Okay. Try.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Let me roll for you.
Cheers.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Let's see.
So how is the taste?
Wow. This is strong also.
Yeah, it's
It's
strong.
very strong. This is like when you drink it, you will wake up definitely. We take 2 of that one. Have you make this juice?
Yes.
You have make it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
It's homemade.
So he is the man. So if you want the best ginger juice, he's the man who will make it for you. Very good. Also these ones. Right. Can I taste a little bit, just a little bit, just for taste, no? Because I'm a Parang guy, so this is very new for me. Smelling like a wine, eh? Smells very good. Also works. Crambola. Then there is a pineapple. I have always tell you guys one thing, and that's 100% true. In Meghalaya, you will get the best pineapples in the whole world. What do you say? It's true.
That's true.
That is absolutely true. And then tamarind juice. Yes. Pineapple, very tasty. Tamarind. Every juice has been very tasty. Wow. Nice, I like it. This is more, there is a little bit sour, also strong. Yeah. Very good taste. So this is your, okay, this is your brand, right?
It's located in Shillong, Kashmir.
So you were saying that you have some gift for my wife,
Yeah.
isn't it? Yes. Okay, let's see.
So you YouTuber, right?
Yes.
Which I followed you guys.
Oh, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Yeah, appreciate it. Yeah, bye. Nice to meet you too. Bye. Bye. Okay, thank you very much. Bye, na. All right. Belinda. Nice name. In Portuguese, Belinda, actually Linda means beautiful. In Brazil, in Portuguese it means Linda or Lindo. Yeah, it means beautiful. Yeah, I stay in
I
Nompo.
watch your channel most of the time.
Oh, thank you very much for support. Oh, good.
My mom used to watch you.
Also,
That's how I get to know you.
that's nice. Thank you very much for support. Appreciate it. I would like to actually have a paella because it's a Kasi thing. Paella. Here I can see some handcrafts. I think so.
Yes.
You
All
have
these-
made it.
Yes, I made all this from polymer clay.
Ah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Individually made by hand.
Uh-huh.
So these are all polymer clay. So
Huh.
you can see here the flowers. They're all sculpted by hand.
Right. And you
Yeah,
have
then-
made it.
Yes, I did
Wow.
everything, yeah.
Wow.
And my friend here, Atlantica,
Uh-huh.
so she made all the candles, the wax
All the
melts,
candles.
yeah.
This. Oh yeah, it smells very good here. How people can find your candles? From Instagram or what?
We have Instagram.
Huh.
Her brand.
Right. So guys, you want to buy earrings, things, candles, you know where to go. You know where to go. Thank you guys very much.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. How the parang will do? Let's see. It's like a cricketer, you know, the cricketer there. We are on again. I'm a cameraman in an MMA fight. Suddenly. How cool is that? In Cherry Blossom. Let's go, guys. Amazing. You see that kick? My goodness! Heavy! Like a Messi or something, huh? On there. Let's see guys what we can find here in this evening. It's a club also here. It's a club here or what? My goodness, a club here. Look at that one. Club with classy people. It's the first time. First time for me. Yeah, sounds good. Nice. People are jamming here. What up, what up? People are jamming here around. Yes, love it. Look at these guys. Look at these guys. They are on definitely. They are enjoying today. Eating a chicken and dancing like nobody's watching. What do you say? What you can lose? Enjoy. So yummy KFC. KFC is here. Like Andrew Ted says that he loves KFC. He loves to eat chicken. That's what. It is a happy people selling you KFC, huh? That's what. That's what. What else we have? We have some Risha Chingi Orchid Resort, something like that. That's what they do. All good. Everything is good now. Yes, good. God bless. God bless. Nice. Indian people are very nice. Always remember that. They're very nice. Nescafe is here. Kit Kat. Yeah, that's what. Kit Kat is here. Nescafe. Chocolate. Everybody loves chocolate, isn't it? That's what. A Pizza Hut also. Shout out to... I'm not so metal guy, but it's nice to see also because in Finland we have many metal bands and many heavy bands in Finland. So also some Kasi people and Indian people, obviously they love metal. Looks like families are also welcome. We have children place here. They can do jumping. I like this car, I want it. I like it. Hello. Which photo? Yes, of course we can do. Where you want to do photo? Wow, what a glasses. Hello. How are you? Nice to see you. Yes. It's on. Beautiful family. Yeah. Yes, beautiful family. Okay, God bless you. Bye now. Bye. From there. Okay. All right, let's do. Hello. How are you guys? Everything? Yeah, perfect. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe. good. Ah.
How was it? How was it?
Oh, good. Very good. Very good. I enjoy. I enjoy. Thank you very much. Okay. Bye. 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 That's what. Yes. 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 Hello. Hello. How are you? I'm good. How are you?
I have seen your.
You have seen the video?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you like?
Yeah.
That's good. Very good. Yeah. Let's go. That's what.
go.
Today is the day, right? Today is the day. Today is the main day. Hey, there is Terminator. My goodness, there is Terminator. Let's go and see Terminator. If I can fight with him. My goodness, Terminator there. Look at that one. Look at that. You have come from a moon or what? He has come from moon. I think so. Look at. It's gonna be John. Hey. Yes. How are you? What's up? High five. Hey.
You're from where?
I'm from Finland.
Oh yes.
From where are you from?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. That's what I say. Indians is very lovely
Yes.
people. Very. You know, guys, one thing. I used to do this work before. Garbage truck driver and the workers. Highly appreciated for those people. It's a hard job, especially here in India. It's very hard job. Oi. Oi, parang. Yes, parang. Yes. What a day it has been here. Cherry Blossom. Long day.
Come on, everybody, put your
Come
hands
on.
together.
Put your hands together. Put it together, yeah. I wanted to see. Somebody said that Amunik Bolbaring was here today, but I don't know. I didn't hear. I didn't see. I would like to see, but unfortunately, Amunik, I miss your show. Unfortunately, there is only one. I'm so tired.
You're a big fan.
You're a big fan?
Yeah, I'm a
Wow.
only.
Oh, good. Thank
Your
you.
wife.
My wife is at home.
At home.
Yes.
Okay.
Because it's a whole. Huh?
She's fine.
Yes, absolutely. She's totally fine. I would actually like to go there on the ground, but my goodness, they'll take a whole day, I think so. Good.
I like your good channel.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Suki. Slowly. Hello. Yo. How are you?
From?
I'm from Finland.
I'm from Meghalaya.
You're from Meghalaya.
Did you do
Also.
Instagram?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, what's your name?
AB family. You have subscribed? Yes. Oh, thank you very much.
What's your name? You can touch it.
AB family.
What?
AB family.
Spelling.
AB
AB.
family.
Family.
Yes.
Internet problem. I will follow you later.
Yes, thank you very much.
Okay,
Follow also
then, thank
YouTube.
you.
Thank you. All right. Toyota also here. What else we have? Hello, how are you? You're good. Yes. You enjoy Cherry Blossom. Yes. Yes. Toyota. That one. That is mine. This is mine. My goodness, this is like a ship or what? Like a train. Imagine you drive that car in the road. Like a boss. Definitely like a boss. There's also something I like, the Fortuner. Fortuner is very nice car. Very beautiful. But I could definitely go with this one. Nice car. Beautiful car. Land Cruiser. It's a Land Cruiser only. Hello. Hello, how are you? Yes, all good. All good. Nice. Look at that one. It's huge. It's huge car. Look at it. Beautiful. I think how much it could cost for that car? Definitely. Yes, let's look.
1.3 crore.
Yes, photo, let's look. Toyota Land Cruiser. I'm telling you guys, come here. If you drive this on the street, this is like a truck. This is like a ship or train. Look at it. Look at the size of this car. I haven't seen nothing this beautiful before. So if you are willing to buy family car or a big boss car, this is your option. Hey, this guy I have seen this guy. Hello, what's up? Oh, good.
I've seen you also. Let me add you in my vlog.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes, let's go.
Where is your wife? I saw you married from here. You got married from
Yes, I'm married and baby is also coming very soon.
Okay, all the
so my
best.
wife is now waiting at home.
Okay, great.
Yes, great.
How is life? Like, how do you feel being here as a foreigner?
My
You're from
goodness,
which place actually?
Finland. I'm from Finland.
Finland?
Yeah,
Okay.
Finland. North Europe.
Okay.
North
How
Europe.
do you feel about Meghalaya?
I love it. Meghalaya is always, I have said, Meghalaya is one of the most beautiful places in the whole world.
Okay.
And we are also planting many